Creating content and posting it to the many platforms out there like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, blogs, and most importantly, in my opinion, YouTube, have become a major side hustle for people and even a full-time job.
I want a job.
In fact, according to influencermarketinghub.com, the content creation economy could be worth over $15 billion soon.
I'll take a piece of that action.
In this video, I want to talk about how you can make money as a content creator, as well as how I am making some money as well as a small creator.
We'll soon grow into a large, powerful animal.
Stick with me and we'll dive into it real soon. Thank you so much for checking out our channel and really more specifically this video.
I really appreciate it.
So in case you're not sure or familiar, content creation or being a content creator is technically the process of generating topic ideas that appeal to your viewing audience through written or visual content and making those ideas or information accessible through video, infographics, a blog, or some various other content formats.
He's a creative.
Before I dive deeper into really how content creators actually make money, let me first be very clear.
You have my attention.
This is not easy to make it work right away.
It's a challenge.
There's a lot, and I mean a lot, that goes into it.
You just have to be patient.
For me personally, I thoroughly enjoy creating content.
Something fun to do.
It is a hobby for me, and really, I enjoy helping people.
I just want to help.
If you are thinking about getting into content creation, I've already said it, but I'm going to say it again, it definitely takes time. And not just a little time, a lot of time.
A tremendous amount.
But if and when you do create something, it is totally worth it.
I love it.
Now that we've gone over that, let's get into how content creators make money.
How do they do it?
I've narrowed it down to 5, so let's get into the first one. And the first one is through creator funds. Now, TikTok was the first to really have that creator fund available, and now many of the other platforms have followed suit.
Quit copying me!
And back to TikTok, that creator fund is really not going to create a whole lot of income for content creators. I've heard that a few hundred views only equates to maybe a couple $100.
Not much.
Instagram has a decent creator fund, but my personal favorite right now is actually Pinterest.
It's a real-life Pinterest board.
I've found theirs to be the most profitable. Now, these platforms want creators on their platform, so that's why they create these funds in order to draw us to their platform. It's definitely a nice incentive, but it's not the, huge way that creators are making money, but anything helps.
It all adds up.
The second way creators make money is through sponsorships. Businesses pay creators to post about their company or to really just talk about their company. It's really a way for these content creators to really show or share their influence.
You, an influencer.
I know.
Now, this can be very lucrative for creators. Clearly, the more views, the more subscribers, the more followers, the more a company is able to pay the creator.
And now I have over 50,000 subscribers.
It's one of those reasons why people want to increase their subscriber base or their following. The third way is through affiliate marketing. Anytime you hear a content creator say, click the link in my bio, or you click a link in a blog and sign up, you are actually giving that creator some sort of kickback for aiding in the process of you signing up.
Just click on the link below.
Now, just because you're hearing that, don't just not click on those links for those creators. It is a way for you to show your appreciation for the creator and what they are doing on their platform. So click those links and help the creators out. Fourth is Google AdSense. Now, this is one that I am really excited about as I have 2 YouTube channels that I am hoping to continue to grow. And YouTube stands out from all the other platforms because they offer 45% of advertising money to creators.
All over YouTube.
So they take the other 55%, but they give that 45% back to the creators in the form of a monthly payment. This is what separates YouTube from really every other platform.
It's a YouTube thing.
So yes, when you see that annoying advertisement during a video, the creator is getting a tiny fraction of a percentage of income from that. Now you do have to get a lot of views for this to actually add up, but it's just another source of income. And fifth and final on our list, content creators can sell their own products or services, or at least market them in hopes of making sales. If you've ever heard of a creator or a channel that you're watching, or whatever platform you're hearing them talk, and they're maybe talking about creating a course, and you can go check out that course and learn how to do something. That course is not going to be free, most likely, and so there's another income source.
Of course, of course.
And it's not just courses, it's products, maybe some services that they have. All of those things add up and can continue to be another source of income. I have heard this area of content creation to be a pretty big moneymaker for these content creators.
That's how we make money.
These are the 5 main ways that content creators make money by producing content. Which do you believe is the most profitable?
Not sure.
Now, I personally have made the most so far from platforms with creator funds, but I am excited about the other opportunities that I mentioned. Now, it's not all about making money, as I've already said. I want to help people. I enjoy this, but it is a nice little part of everything that I'm doing. So I can't say that I'm not interested in making money.
Comes with the job.
Of the 5 that I mentioned, the only one that I have not profited from is the last one that I mentioned about selling my own products or services. But I have some things in the works to make that work for me before the end of 2022.
I got some plans. I got plans.
So make sure you are subscribed. I'll be talking about those things in the future, and it definitely is a huge support if you would be interested in any of those products or services. No pressure though.
But you should look around you.
Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments if you are working on your own content creation. What niche are you part of?
This is my area of expertise.
Have you already started creating content, or are you just kind of gathering ideas and planning it out?
It's in the works.
If that's you, definitely drop your handle in the comments below so we can all support each other.
Is the key to a healthy relationship.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did find value in it, please go ahead and smash that like button. It really does help this out, and I will see you in the next video.